The Maverick has long maintained an open and accepting mind for high schools in Jamaica to scout and recruit student athletes, especially when it involves better funded and better organized programs aimed at maximizing the athlete's potential that otherwise would have been wasted. For me, it's all about people seizing opportunities to better themselves. But this thing now, with Jamaica College, who are always pushing the envelope when it comes to recruiting footballers. This is now pushing the entire bookstore. Jamaica College are reportedly set to welcome all of 5 national under-20 players from St. Lucia, all set to walk through the gates of Jamaica College to play a Manning Cup. Me think JC go too far now. Yes, it's a free market and freedom of choice and way and day, but let's not play the fool. Jamaica College is not carrying these St. Lucians here to further their academic studies. We don't take people for big head, but JC scouted, recruited, and are importing these players to try and win more Manning Cup titles, nothing else. And JC must accept that as long as this trend continues, Jamaica College will always be known as JC FC.